AI, or artificial intelligence, culling and editing is really intriguing. And my short answer is use anything that will help you and use it to the best of its ability. So anything that's going to get you better results faster is going to be beneficial for you and for your business. The long answer isn't quite so easy. AI culling and editing is where you send access to your gallery of images to a program that uses artificial intelligence to cull your photos for you or applies edits to your photos in line with your preferences. Then you import the changes to your existing gallery to complete a part or all of your editing, thus potentially saving you time. Here are the two most prominent programs at the time of this recording, being Aftershoot and Imagen AI. For culling, I like Aftershoot. I've used it, I continue to use it, and I would recommend it. We will still hand cull many galleries, especially when we know that there are special shots or multi-image stitches or HDR merge photos and double exposures in the mix, because it doesn't pick those out the way that I like. But it works very well, and for the most part selects the images we would have selected by hand. However, at the same time, there is something to be said for learning from your shooting through looking at all your shots, and where you can improve because of it. If you remove culling completely from your workflow, you're going to lose this valuable learning and improving time. We will use it more during our busy season than we will when we're less busy, so we use both hand culling and Aftershoot as part of our workflow. AI editing, I'm not quite as excited about yet. In honesty, it does a pretty good job of applying a very nice looking edit to the photos, but because it analyzes each photo individually, it will often apply a slightly different edit to images shot from the same scene, which makes the gallery seem a bit non-cohesive. Sometimes they look like different edits. I want to deliver a gallery that looks consistent one image to the next. And so because our workflow is so fine-tuned using the methods I teach here in the Lightroom Agility training, I'm getting to the same point at the editing process as the program does very quickly. So the time savings for me isn't worth the price. At the time of the writing, Imagen, which does a good job on the edits, they charge per image, which is another small little negative that I don't love. So for the cost savings, I get to the same spot in Lightroom using the speed techniques that I'm teaching. However, if it's something you want to try, definitely try it. Use it, see if it's going to work for you. The same principles of workflow and library-wide quick adjustments you're going to learn in the upcoming lessons will help you perfect your gallery once the images get back from the editor. So either way, you win.